Have you ever wondered how they blur a moving object in a video? Okay, object that is moving, you blur the object in a video. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can blur a moving object, whether it's a human, whether it's a car, any kind of object that you want to blur, moving object, not static object, not object that is in a particular place. You know, moving object, whether it's a human, whether it's car, whether it's anything at all in a video. All right. So let's just dive right into the main video. I'm going to dive right into my laptop. Let me share with you guys how you can blur a moving object in a video. This always takes place most times. If you see some videos, maybe prisoners are coming out, or or in a particular environment, and they don't want to show a particular face in a video, or you're recording a video and a car passes and you don't want the plate number of that car to show in that video, or whatever reason that you like that will make you want to blur any particular area moving object in a video. I'm going to share with you how you can do that very easily without any stress. All right, so let's dive right into my laptop. Let me share with you guys how you can do that within just a few minutes. Now, guys, I'm going to use two videos to show you how to do that. I recorded two videos. One is this particular one that I shifted my head from left to right and right to left, which is this video that I shifted my head from left to right. And the next video we're going to use to do this is this one. I recorded it outside, and I'm going to cover this plate number. I was moving and recording with my phone. I'm going to cover this plate number on this car. All right. So let's start with the very first one, which is the one I was turning my head. Then after that, we're going to move over to this second one, which is the car. Now, first of all, open your Filmora video editing software, which is the normal software I always use to edit. I use Filmora, I use CapCut, I use so many other softwares, but these are the two main softwares that I always use to do my YouTube videos and so many other videos. Okay, they have all the functions I want. Unless I want to do some stunts or a more complicated stuff, then I will use After Effects. Now, let's first of all import this video, these two videos. Okay, let's import this first one. Now drag and drop the video in the timeline. Okay, I think I'm going to start this video from here, cut this section, delete. Now here, let me just raise the volume a little bit and see if it started where I want it to start. Okay, from here now, move left, right, turn my head like this. Okay, now I stopped here. Okay, let me stop here. Then cut here now. We're going to be working on this. This is two different videos now. Okay, now come over here. There are two ways you can do this. Is either you go over to your video. All right, let me show you in Filmora. You go to your video. Once you click here, navigate yourself to AI tools. Okay, you can go to audio, you can go, but this video. Once you get to video, navigate, go to AI tools. Once you get to AI tools, you touch this particular section that you want to do the blur effect, motion blur effect, and sometimes this is going to be closed, so you need to open here and turn this button on. Immediately you turn this button on, you can see there's a box that is automatically placed on in front of this video. If you off it, it's going to disappear. You can see if you on it, yes, it's going to appear again. Now, what you want to do is carry this box and take it to the area where you want to blur, the particular area that is moving, where you want to blur. You can resize it by, you know, drawing this, or you can come to this edge and make all the section bigger. Now make sure that it covers the area, the actual area you want to blur. Okay, this is very, very important. Now you can see this is covering my head. You guys can see it's covering my head down to the next section. Okay, now when you're done fixing that rectangle in the position where you want to blur, the next thing you need to do is to come over here. But before you come over there, you can still access, okay, I'm going to do it in the next video. Instead of going through to video and AI tools, I'm going to show you a shortcut key on your keyboard that will bring you down here. Now let's continue. Once you're done placing this rectangle or square or whatever you want to call it in this section, which this video is going to move from here, left to right, right to left. It's not moving now because I'm not playing it. Now, what you need to do is come over here and click here and allow this to analyze it. Object that is moving, draw the object. So what the software is going to do is going to, this box, you can see the box is following my head, that particular area that I fixed, that square or rectangle or whatever. If I'm moving, is motion tracking, okay? It's following my head section only. Okay, you can see, you guys can see, it's following my head as I am moving, it's following it, okay? So you have to allow this, don't cancel, don't stop, don't click on enter, allow this to finish and stop on its own. Let the software analyze the movement and understand the movement, the area that you want to apply blur effect or any kind of effect. You can also apply text or whatever. So you can see it's done. You can decide to click on don't show this, but I'm not going to do that. Click on OK. Now that it's done, still touch here and come over here. Okay, link elements, click here, import from computer. You can import image, you can import anything and make it, you know, use black image to cover. The black image will be covering that face. You can use an image, any kind of image, whether black, whether white or whatever. Now, but what we're going to use is we want to use this mosaic. Now click on add mosaic. Once you click, you can see automatically my face is just covered. Now, double click on here, you can see it has added mosaic on this effect on top of this particular section of the video. You know, this is a different video altogether. Now double click here. Once you double click here, you can see this rectangle or square is now showing us also. So what you need to do is bring it to the actual size that you want it to be. Make sure it covers the area where you want to apply this mosaic. You can still open. My neck is still not covered. Bring it down a little bit. I think it's okay. Here is okay. Come down. Okay. So now my face is completely covered down to my neck. All right. Although you can do some other adjustments even after you apply the mosaic. Now I don't want this. This is so this mosaic is so they are not seeing any part of my face. You can come over here and change to anyone you want, but I will prefer to use this. Now my face is showing a little bit. You can see my face is showing, but you can't know that is me if you don't know that person. Now you can also blur amount. You can still raise here and make it more blurry so that people will not even notice at all. Now it's now bigs. Opacity, you can see, you can raise the opacity. Okay, raise it to 100. Now you can see it's now like bricks. So when you play this video now, let me show you. You guys can see if I'm moving, it's following my head. You're not seeing my face. Now at this point that you notice that your jaw is showing, you can also come down here and touch here and bring it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Now let's replay this again. Play. You can see it's following my head. You cannot see any part of my head. So even if I'm moving, you can still use this to follow any kind of moving object. So you can select any kind of mosaic that you want and apply it to this video. You can make it throughout the video, however you want anyway. Now we're going to go off from here. This is one. Let's import the second video, which is this. Double click on it, drag it and drop right inside here. Allow it to show. It's going to show right in here. Okay. The video is right in the timeline. Now this one, I am moving close to the car and I want to blur the plate number of this car. So now I'm not going to go through video AI tool. So you can see now I'm in video. So what I need to do now, if I want to do the shortcut, I have to click on Alt X. So anywhere you are, undo. Even if you're in audio and you click Alt X, it's going to bring you down to this motion tracking feature in Filmora video editing software. Now, what you need to do is take this back where the video started. Okay. So, and click here, this rectangle, move it towards the plate number, resize it. You can see if you open here, you can see it's covering the front of the car. So what you need to do is touch here and take it down to the plate numbers area. If you're finding it hard to shift it, what you need to do is use your left, right, up and down on your keyboard, key on your keyboard, and move towards the plate number. You can see I'm covering now the plate number. You can still scroll up a little bit. Okay, the plate number is almost covered. You can still make it smaller anyway if you want. Undo, back to that point. All right. I think I am good with the way it is now. So once you're done placing this here, come over here, click here and allow the software to still analyze it. You can see that as I'm moving my phone, that rectangle is still covering that plate number. So when you take this thing down, you can notice that it's still covering that plate number. If you still maximize this video and play it, you can still see that the rectangle is following, even as my hand is moving while I'm holding my phone, the rectangle is still following that area, that plate number area. So what we need to do now is take this down from to the beginning and come over here, this link element, click on it and click on, okay, this time around, let's not use mosaic, I'm going to use mosaic too, but let's use from computer, import from computer. Now, what I want to do now is go to my downloads. I actually don't have any, okay, let me use this lips as a cover stuff, okay. Now, this lips has, you can see, I've imported these lips. You can see it's already here because it's coming from this place. So double click on this, which is the lips. You can see it on the timeline. Now resize it. Okay. You can still resize it also. Make it smaller. Make sure you can use the arrow left and right button up and down on your keyboard to place it in a very good direction. You can see now that this lips is covering the plate number. Now let's try and play this and see. You guys can see. So what I need to do is raise these lips up a little bit. Okay, it's like It's almost showing the plate number at the end. Now play it again. You guys can see, you can still make it bigger. I mean the lips, take it up a little bit if you're not too comfortable with the way it is. Still scroll down, take this to the beginning of the video and replay it. Right. So we're going to delete this. Delete and touch here. The effect is still on this video. Come over here and click on mosaic. Now you can see it has placed another a mosaic effect on this video. Now what you need to do is double click on here on the top the effect, double click on it and now resize it, okay, to the size you want. Zoom and make sure that it's covering the plate number, right? So you can still change to any kind of mosaic that you want. Open this and see how it is. Okay, this is a different one. Let's play this video. You guys can see even when the camera is moving from left to right, it's still tracking it and making sure that that particular area that you selected is covered. So this is quite very simple. You can do it in any video at all. Anything you want to hide in any video is quite very simple for you to do this. Doesn't take anything. It's just a couple of minutes that it took me to do this. So that is all I want to share with you guys in this video, and I hope this video was helpful. Now guys, you can see how easy it is for you to blur a moving object in a video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and app in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.